welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is going to be the June base box from Lumibox. So I hope you enjoy today's video. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join the family. Hit the subscribe button and change the notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. So super briefly before we open up this box, I am doing this month's boxes a bit differently. Normally I would showcase both boxes in the one video. I am going to split this into two videos this month. So there will be a video for the base box, which is what you'll be watching right now. And then there is going to be a separate video for the premium box. And I'm just going to upload them a day apart from each other. I just wanted to separate them so it is a bit shorter for you guys. And if you only want to see one box and not the other, then you can just watch the video that you want to watch. Also, I do have a code with Lumibox. It is Pure Lottie 10. I will add it on the screen and it is down in the description box. This will get you a 10% off your very first box with Lumibox. They are based in Australia and Singapore and New Zealand at the moment. And if you do use my code, it is an affiliate code, I will get a small commission from it, but it is completely up to you if you guys would like to use my code. So this month's theme is Baby It's Cold Outside. So it is winter here in Australia and Lumibox is based in Australia as well. So I'm super excited to see what we've got in this box. So I have done my makeup already, but I am missing a few steps, and this is because I took a peek in the base box and we do have some products that I want to try out today with this look. So you will see them in the box and I will do a try on test, and everything that I do try on I will add a clip in and give you my first impressions on it. If there's anything that I don't try and you would like me to try, then let me know down in the comments and I'll make sure to feature it in a future video for you. So let's jump into the box. So I paid $49 for this box. I do pay for it with my own money and all of my thoughts are my own and completely honest. So this month's box, as I said, the theme is Baby It's Cold Outside. So I'm super excited. As usual, you get your thank you card, you've got your little sheet with everything written on it, and then you have your bubble wrap and tissue paper and all the goodies inside. Now let's just get the first two products out of the way. As I said, it is winter here in Australia, so they have included a little hot chocolate and a little Tim Tam. I'm super excited for this because I'm loving my hot chocolates right now because it is so cold. So I think this is a super cute little addition to the box. So with the base box you get 5 products. They are full-size products. So let's jump in. So the first product that I've got here is from Bling Pop and it is a collagen healing eye mask. It retails for $4.50 and is available from phoenixnational.com.au, and it looks like this, which I think is super cute packaging. I really love this packaging. So I am going to pass this on to my mother-in-law or pop it in a giveaway, just because as per usual I am limiting the amount of skincare that I'm trying because we are trying to work out what it is that I am allergic to. So yeah, I'll pass this on to someone else to try. The second product, I already know my mother-in-law's got dibs on this. This is from her favorite brand. It is another skincare product. It's from Low and Grip and she is absolutely in love with this brand. It is a clean and calm facial cleanser and it retails for $49 and it is available from lowandgrip.com. So it looks like this. Let's see if I can get it to focus for you. So it is a facial cleanser. So it's deep cleansing for face and eyes. It removes makeup and impurities, soothing and hydrating. So she adores this brand. So I know she's gonna be super excited for this. So yeah, I'm gonna pass that on to her. So the third product in this box is from Physicians Formula, and I absolutely love Physicians Formula. I currently use their butter bronzer, and you can see I've hit pan in there. It is my favorite bronzer, so I'm super excited to have a makeup product from Physicians Formula. So this is the Bronze Booster Highlight and Contour Palette. So as you can tell, I'm not wearing any contour and bronzer, so I'm going to try this on for you guys. But it looks like this, which I think, again, the packaging is super cute. And it does have on the back how to highlight, contour and bronze your face. And it has 4 different shapes if you've got an oval face, a heart face, a round face and a square face, which I think is always fantastic, because if you're a beginner to makeup, you're not necessarily confident on how to do it. So if it comes with instructions, I think that is really good for beginners. So this retails for $29.95 and it's available from physiciansformula.com. It is a trio palette, so let's open it up and have a look. So this is what the packaging looks like. It is super thick but super pretty. It is all gold on the top and it's more of like a bronzy color on the bottom here. So it is a matte palette. This was my choice product for this month, so you could choose a shimmer or a matte. I did choose the matte because I prefer a matte contour and bronzer. Highlight, I don't mind the shimmers. I really love shimmer highlight, but I have so many highlights already, so I didn't want to base it off just one product, so I'm more likely to use the matte. So you open it up and you've got the trio here. So you've got the highlight, the contour and the bronzer, and it is super nice shades as well. I think it will work really nicely on my skin tone because I am so pale. And then if you lift up this, you actually have a little mirror in here, and then you also have a little brush as well for your contouring and your bronzing. So it's just a little angled brush like this. It is just like a plastic handle, but it feels really nice. So I'm super excited to have this in my collection and I can't wait to try it out. So I'm just going to jump into the Physicians Formula bronzer and just try this on. I'm going to go into the deeper color, so this one down here. And I'm just going to use one of my own brushes. This is from Battington Beauty, and it's just more of like a blush and bronzer brush. So let's jump in and have a look how this applies. Okay, it is very powdery in the little trio here, but that is okay as long as we've got a nice pigment and it blends nicely. I'm okay with any fallout or powder in the container. So that is now on my face. I really like that. That is super pretty. It matches my skin tone really nicely. It's not too dark and it's not too light. I think it blended super nice. It was so quick to blend and really easy. It very much reminds me of the Butter Bronzer formula. So it may even be this formula that is in here. But it is super nice. I really like it. You can see it's now given me some definition to my face. Okay, that is really nice. It's like a glow from within kind of glow, so it is nice and subtle. I normally go for a shimmery highlight, but I think that glow from within look looks really nice with this look. So yeah, I'm super impressed with that. Quick check-in on the highlighter and bronzer. I didn't use the contour in it yet. I will try that out and I might add it into my speed reviews for you guys. As for the highlighter, I think it is a super subtle glow from within. It is not shimmery at all. It is completely matte, but I really enjoy it for those days where you don't want a full-on out there look. I think it matches this cat eye look pretty nicely. As for the bronzer, I think it is super stunning. You can see it better on my forehead because I don't have any blush on my forehead. But it is really, really nice. It is wearing nicely. It's still in place. Looks like as though I've basically just put it on, and yet it has been almost 5 hours now and it is looking really nice. So the fourth product in this box is from Laura Geller, and it is a Blush and Brighten Tropic Hues is the colour. This retails for $39 and it's available from laurageller.com. Now it comes looking like this. I'm not sure if this is the actual packaging that it comes like. I know with the boxes they tend to take the packaging just so that they can fit everything in there. So it may have like a box that has been disposed of, but this is what it looks like. You can see the colour there. And then you open it up and on the lid it has the clear see-through part, and then it has a little half mirror as well. And then here is the blush. And let me just feel it. Ooh, it feels really nice. Ooh, that's my type of blush. Let me turn the light down a tiny bit. That is my type of blush. It is shimmery though. It's not a matte blush. But it's not like glitter, it's just like a shimmer. So I'm super excited to try this out. Okay, I'm going to go into the Laura Geller blush now. Let's zoom you in. I'm going to put that on the cheeks and my nose. Okay, I've just popped the blush on and I think that looks really, really stunning. It suits super nicely. Again, was super easy to blend and it is so my color and style. I think it looks stunning on my skin. A quick check-in on the Laura Geller blush. So it is in place, almost looks perfect. It has been about 5 hours now that I have been wearing it, and I think it is looking super stunning still. I really vibe with this color and the formula is absolutely stunning. So I'm excited to have this in my collection. And the lucky last product is also from Physicians Formula, so I'm super excited to have another product from them. It is a healthy lip velvet finish. I think it's like a liquid lipstick. Yeah, Physicians Formula, the Healthy Lip Velvet Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Berry Healthy and it looks like this. Super pretty. It's got like a metallic finish lid. It does have plastic around it, and this one retails for $14.95 and again is available from physiciansformula.com. Now let's open this up and give it a swatch. So this is what the doe foot applicator looks like. It is just a typical bent one with the hole in the middle, and let's give it a swatch. Ooh, that's a nice deep color. I really like that. I'm excited to try this out. I've never tried Physicians Formula liquid lipstick formula, so I'm super excited to have that in my collection now. Okay, I'm going to try the Physicians Formula liquid lipstick. I've just popped a tiny bit of lip liner on my cupid's bow and down the bottom here. So let's pop it on. I've also got this swatch here from earlier, and I just wanted to say that it doesn't fully dry down, so it's not transfer proof, but that's okay. So let's have a look at what this looks like on the lips. Okay, I've just popped the Physicians Formula liquid lipstick on. It is absolutely stunning and I think it really suits my outfit and my makeup that I've got on today. I think it looks really pretty, and I just want to say My first impressions, this is so smooth and creamy and buttery, and it's so nice and comfortable. Like, it's really, really lightweight on the lips. It almost feels like as though I've got on like a lip balm almost. So it is like a satin almost. It does say that it is a velvet finish. That's what it feels like. It feels like I've got velvet on my lips. It is so nice, and it feels like as though it is hydrating my lips versus, you know, drying them out. So yeah, I'm really impressed with it. I really, really like this formula. Check in on the liquid lipstick. This was the Physicians formula. I think it is wearing really nicely. It has almost been 5 hours now. You can see in the center it is wearing off, and on the corners here, I think it still looks pretty good though. Like, it's not super bad where I'm stressing about touching it up. I think, yeah, it wore really nicely. I have been drinking, I've had lunch, I've had a coffee, and yeah, I think it is looking pretty good. So it is one that actually wears down quite nicely. So that was the 5 full-size products in this box, and it came up to $137.40. This is in Australian dollars. So I paid $49 for it. I didn't include the cost of these because they're not listed there. But I would say these are a few dollars each as well. So I think it's fantastic value for money, and I am super excited to try everything out. So that is it for the base box. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you can keep an eye out for the premium box. If you would like to subscribe to Lumibox, you can use my code PureLottie10. I will list it on the screen and down below in the description box for you, and that will get you 10% off your very first box. I do earn a small commission on it, so it is completely up to you if you would like to support me and my channel. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!